Tim! I love drawing and building. Let's build something together. Puppy needs a house. But how do we build one? I have an idea. First, we draw it. This is a rectangle. Rectangles are strong. Now, a triangle. Triangles make roofs strong. Is the puppy big or small? Small. So we build a small house. First, the floor. Then the walls. Now the roof. Wow! We did it! Remember, builders, draw it, plan it, build it. See you next time!